Good morning, class 4. Yesterday we were doing the exercise 6. So turn to page 16. Today we will go on to page 17. It is yesterday we had done that how to arrange the numbers, the greatest to the smallest or smallest to the greatest number. Yesterday you have done arranging in ascending order, that is smaller to greater, and today you will be doing the descending order, that is from greater to smaller. I hope you will follow the steps that I told you yesterday and do the descending order. Now today I will tell you one very important thing, that is write the greatest and the smallest numbers. Now when you are writing the greatest and the smallest numbers, the numbers when they are given as digits, separate digits, suppose 9, 6, 4, 5, they are given with commas. Each are one separate digit. And now you have to form one number with this separate digit. So when you are forming the number, suppose I form the number in this way, then I do not put any commas in between. The number goes together. So these are separate digits and this is a number formed with the digit. So when you are forming the greatest and smallest numbers with the given digits, when you are forming the numbers, there should not be these commas in between. The numbers would go without commas. Suppose if you have to form the greatest number with this digit, how you have to do? The greatest number in this set of digits is first 9, then 7, then goes 3, 2 and 1. So in this way I can form the greatest digit. You see, I am not putting the commas. Commas will not be put in this number. And then how I will form the smallest number? The smallest number will be formed by writing first the smallest number 1. Gradually we will increase the number. And so this is the smallest number formed. Now in a number, when there is a 0, greatest number will go as it is, as we do in the others, like 7, 9, 7, 5, 3 and 0. But when we are forming the smallest number, then I cannot start the number with the 0. If I write the 0 in front, it will be wrong. Because when I write the 0 in front, that means I am not putting this as a 5-digit number. It becomes a 4-digit number. Because 0 in front of whole numbers have no value, as you know. So here the smallest number will be first 3 and then will come the 0. After that 5, 7, 9, gradually increasing. So similarly you will be doing the rest of the sums as given here. See here also, here write the greatest and smallest 6-digit number using all the digits. So these are, here you will form the greatest 6-digit number from these numbers and here the smallest ones. Next question is write the greatest and the smallest using all the digits. Smallest numbers using all the digits. So you have to form this. Here there is 2, 7 and 4. It is you have to form a 5-digit number. A 5-digit number. Alright. So to form a 5-digit number, how can you do it? It is given only 3 over here, and we can repeat the numbers. So I can write it in this way: 7, 7, 2 numbers has to be increased. Then again I can write the 7, 4 and 2, or any other form you can write. You can also write it as 7, 7, 4, 4, 2. And the smallest number also formed as you feel like. So this you will do as the option goes. These are the 6 digits numbers formed with the number given here. Next is change the position of the digit to get the smallest 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number, and we have to place it in such a manner that it becomes the smallest 5-digit number, like 1, 3, 5, 8 and 9. So this will be the smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, change the position of the digit to give the greatest 6-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the greatest 6-digit number. Next, question number 20. Write the greatest 5-digit number using as the instructions given. And next there are 3 more sums which are like a game. So you will do them on your own, and I will not give the answers to them. Those I will see when the school reopens whether you have done it correctly. But till number 20 I will give you the solution as and when in the study material section. Okay children, thank you.